Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Morning. How are you all?
We're fine, ma'am.
We're fine. Okay, I'm also doing great. All right. Did you go through the portions? Yes.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
read
We
them?
got to the portions.
Yes. Okay. Shall I ask a few questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what was the name of the chapter?
Working with Windows.
Working with Windows, not working.
Working with Windows.
Working with Windows. And what did we learn in this chapter? Elements.
Elements of Windows.
Elements of a window, isn't it? Elements of a
Yes.
window. Okay. So
Total bar.
which element of a window shows the name of the document?
Title bar.
Title bar. Yes. Okay.
Title
Now,
bar.
which bar is used to scroll the page up and down?
Scroll bar.
Now, which one shows the different options that we can choose from, different choices?
Menu bar.
Menu bar. All right. Then, yes, which button is used to close the window? Close button. Okay. Which one is used to enlarge the window to make it bigger? Maximize button. Okay. Then what else? Yes. Which one is used to hide the window in the taskbar?
Minimize button.
Minimize button. Then
Minimize button.
which button is used to make the maximize window into a smaller size? Restore button. Okay. I hope that's clear.
Yes,
Yes. It was a very small chapter. Only I think we wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? 5 points in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I'll send you the notes in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So shall we start a new chapter today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Again, this is also a very small chapter. It's about an input device. Which all input devices have you learned about? Is mouse an input device?
Yes.
Yes. Is keyboard an input device?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll be learning more about keyboard. Okay. The different types of keys present, the different types of functions that they perform, and so on. So take your book, write the heading.
Page
Chapter.
number, ma'am.
No need of
Page
page number. Just follow what I am writing on the board. Okay.
Ma'am, rough book.
Yes, rough book.
We have to write.
Yes, you have to write. Chapter number would be?
Or
4. Which one is it? 5. Yes. Chapter 5. Chapter 5. The chapter's name is More About Keyboard. More about keyboard. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write in rough book.
Yes, dear. More about keyboard. More about keyboard. Mute and write.
My God, just press it.
More about keyboard.
Ma'am, finish.
Wait, please wait.
No, ma'am, finish.
More about keyboard. That's the name of the chapter. Okay, shall we write a line about the keyboard?
Mm.
Yes,
Yes.
like a keyboard. What is the spelling of keyboard?
KEYBORD.
BOARD. Yes, keyboard. A keyboard is a common. A keyboard is a common.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Yes, a keyboard is a common. 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 Keyboard is a common. Keyboard is a common input device. INPUT. Input. Sorry.
Can you wait?
Yes, you can take your time and write, dear. I'm just writing the whole line. The keyboard is a common input device. DEVICE. Keyboard is a common input device through which THROUGH. Through which data. Through which data. What do you mean by data? Means information. Okay, data means information. Through which data and control commands. Through which data and control commands. Through which data and control commands. Control commands. Command spelling is COMMANDS. Commands. Control commands are fed into
And that is FED.
FED. Yes, FED. Fed into a computer. Are fed into a computer. They are fed into a computer.
Right, I'm finished.
Okay. Please read what you have written, Serafina. Please read. Read. We already know that keyboard is an input device, isn't it? So what are input devices used for? To put or to feed information into the computer. Okay, that's what the definition says. It is used to feed the information or to put all the information or data into the computer. We can also give control commands, which means if we want to, suppose if we are playing a game, if we want to move left side or if we want to move right side, what will we do?
With the mouse.
Use the mouse or
Keyboard.
keyboard. We'll press the keys, left and right keys, isn't it?
Yes.
We are giving a command. We are controlling the game and we are giving a command using the keyboard. That is what is meant by control commands.
Then Nora can read.
Yes, Nora?
Can I read?
You want to read? Yes.
A keyboard is a common input device through which data and control commands are fed into a computer.
Computer, yes. It's device, not device, it's device. Okay, good.
And Agnes, can read a keyboard is a
Yes,
common
Agnes.
device.
You're muted, dear.
A keyboard is a common input device through which data and control commands are fed into a computer.
Okay, fine. Have you completed all this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So what is a keyboard? A keyboard is a common input device.
Device
Yes,
which
through which data and control commands are fed into a computer. Fed into the computer. Yes. So how will you learn this definition? First of all, you have to know what a keyboard is. So you learn it is a common input device. Okay. Till that. A keyboard is a common input device. Then what will you do next? What is the use of this keyboard? It is used to feed
control
data
command.
and control commands. Yes, it's used to feed data and control commands into what? Into the computer. Okay, understand and learn the definition. Please don't learn it by heart.
Okay.
Yes, first of all, we'll learn what a keyboard is. Then we'll learn about its use. That's how we make a full definition.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
We have to underline that.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Okay. Now, another question. What do you call the small buttons on the keyboard?
Keys.
What do you call them? Keys, isn't it? Yes. So we can write that as the next point. In the next line, please write the keyboard. That's too light, isn't it? Next line, please write the keyboard is made of the keyboard is made of several means, what do you mean by several? What do you mean by several? Many, yes, you're right. Several means many. The keyboard is made of several small buttons, SMALL, small buttons, BUTTONS, small buttons called what are they called?
Keys.
Keys.
Keyboard.
Yes. Huh?
Keys.
Yes. Small buttons called keys. If it is just one button, what do you call it?
Key.
Yes. If there are many buttons, if there are two or more buttons, you call it keys.
Keys.
Yes, correct. So the keyboard is made of several small buttons called keys.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I read?
Who's it? Rex?
Can I read?
Was it Rex?
Can I read?
I'm asking, is that you who asked?
Rex.
Rex. Okay, yes, Rex, you can read.
The keyboard is made of several small buttons
Buttons called
keys.
keys. Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Diya. Yes, Diya.
the keyboard is made of several small buttons called keys.
Several small buttons called keys. Okay, Krishnaraj. Yes. You're muted. You're muted. Please unmute.
Keyboard is made of several small buttons called
Buttons called keys.
Buttons called keys.
Keys. Okay. Aiden Rojo.
The keyboard is made of several
Several
small
buttons called
called keys.
keys. Okay.
Ma'am, teacher.
Who is it? Arfin. Okay. Okay. Arfin. And after
The
that, we learn the next
keyboard
point.
is made of several small
Several. Don't say several. Several
small
small buttons
buttons
called
keys.
keys. Okay. So we have learned the definition as well as a point about the keys. Is that clear? Are these 2 points clear for you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Serafina.
Ma'am, this week textbook we have to use or choose standard textbook.
Second standards.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So
Ma'am,
that's
I
done.
not have second standard.
That is why I'm asking you, no need to look at the text, just look at the portions that I'm teaching. Okay. Don't worry about the text now. All right. So we learned the definition and also we learned a point about the keys. Now, in the whole chapter, we'll be learning about the different types of keys on the keyboard. Okay. In the parts of computer and the introduction to computer, we just learned an introduction to the keyboard also, isn't it? Now, in this chapter, we'll be learning only about the keyboard, about the different types of keys present, what are they used for, what are the functions of different keys on the keyboard, and so on. All right?
Wow.
Okay. Yes. So, shall we start with the first type? Yes or no? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, the first type of keys that we're going to learn about is typing keys. Okay. They're called typing. Right. Put one and write. Typing. 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 In the bracket, you can write alphanumeric. Alpha. Numeric. I'll tell you the spelling. A-L-P-H-A. A-L-P-H-A. N-U-M-E-R-I-C. N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Alphanumeric. And then close the bracket and write keys. I'll read it once more. You have to write typing first, T-Y-P-I-N-G, typing. Then in the bracket, you have to write alphanumeric, A-L-P-H-A-N-U-M-E-R-I-C. 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 Okay. Have you heard of alphabets?
Yes, we heard.
Yes. Can you Tell me a few alphabets, few letters in English.
Apple.
A-E-I-O-U.
A-E-I-O-U. X, Y, Z. Okay, very good, Niharika. All right. Then this one, just see this word alphanumeric. Have you heard this word before?
No,
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 No, right? No.
ma'am.
Yes, you're hearing it for the first time. So this alpha, this stands for the letters in English that we are using, isn't it? On the keyboard, we have different letters on it. For A, there is a key. For B, there is a key. Yes or no? Haven't you seen that? Yes. Okay. Then this numeric part, numeric, what would that be then? If alpha stands for the alphabets or letters, the numeric would stand for the numeric. What is it related to? Numbers. Yes, very good. Numeric stands for the numbers. Have you seen the number keys on the keyboard?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. After that, we can use 1 and 0, then 1 and 1, 1 and 2 to make 10, 11, 12, and so on, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So there are alphanumeric keys and they are called typing keys. What are they called? Typing keys. Yes, typing keys. Yeah. And they also include the ones for the punctuation also. Okay. To put the full stop, we have symbols. To put comma, we have symbols. Yes. Okay. Now, what else do we have? We have navigation keys. Have you heard of navigation keys?
No, ma'am.
We can write that as
No.
the next one. Write two navigation keys. Navigation. Navigation keys. Navigation keys.
Can we write?
Wait. Let the others also complete.
I finished. Ma'am, I have completed one.
Very good.
I have completed my work. Then I have completed my work.
Completed my work.
I have completed my work.
Yes. Please wait for the others, children. Okay. Have you heard of this word navigation before? Navigation. No.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yes. Some of you have heard. No. Okay. Have you heard of navigation of ship?
No.
Yes. When you're in a ship, usually to find out the position, to find out the directions and all, we use the term navigation. Okay, to find the directions, to decide the appropriate position that the ship needs to go, the route that it needs to take. Yes, Niharika?
Is that a sheep or a sheep near them if they see is called navigation?
No, I did not understand your question. Can you repeat?
Is that any computer thing?
No. I'm telling you usually use this term navigation in terms of ships. Okay, to find directions, to find positions and all. Okay, so that would be related to our navigation keys. Relate that to the navigation keys and learn. Navigation keys are the ones which are usually used to find, not to find, to use these up, down, left, right directions. Okay, again, I told you when you play games, if you are playing a car race, if you want to move the car to the left side, which key would you press?
Sideways key.
Button key.
Yes, the left button, isn't it? Left arrow key. And what about the right side?
Right button key.
Yes, if you want to jump upwards.
Button key. Jump key. Up
Yes,
key.
yes. And if you want to go inside or go down, what will you do?
Down key.
Yes, downward arrow key, isn't it? And also to move the page, when you're working on a document, you're preparing a document, a Word document. If you want to move the page up, you have a page up key. If you want to move the page down, you have a page down key. Understood? So there is a collection of keys which are used to navigate, to move the page left or right, up and down. And if you're playing a game, you can use them. There are different uses for it also. Understood? Shall we write a line about this? Navigation keys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. These keys, please write. These keys are used for moving around, In the next class, I'll show you pictures and videos, okay? And you'll understand more. These keys are used for moving around in documents, and editing text.
This we have to write, ma'am.
Yes, dear. And editing text.
Editing text.
Text. T-E-X-T. And editing text.
Okay, ma'am, finished.
Okay. Those who have not completed, you can continue writing, no problem. I'm going to take the attendance. Okay, 3C. Adnan. Absent. Okay, Agnes.
Present, ma'am.
Abel Renson.
Present, ma'am.
Aiden Dias.
Present, ma'am.
Aiden Rojo. Present. Ameya.
Present, ma'am.
Anamika. Absent. Andrina.
Absent. Absent,
Anna Mary.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anunaya.
Present, ma'am.
Arfan Ali. Present. Aryan. Aryan is also present. Avantika. Absent. Ayan. Absent. Chinmay. Absent. Devamitra. Present. Dia Denny. Present.
Present.
Emmanuel. Present. Esther.
Absent.
Absent.
Absent. Felix. Present. Heaven is also present. Ishan. Present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Then Krishnaraj. Present.
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Imran Ali.
Absent.
Absent. Muhammad Zishan. Ishan was present. Niharika. Niranjan.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Niranjan is also present. Nora present.
Present, ma'am.
Parvana Aravind.
Absent.
Absent. Pranav Vishnu.
Present.
Ramin OS.
Absent.
Absent. Rex present. Rida Mehreen is present. Risa Rose.
Present.
Present. Rishit Vinesh.
Present,
Roshid Binoy.
Present, ma'am.
Serafina.
Present.
Suhana Anzil.
Present, ma'am.
Shiva.
Present, ma'am.
Shiva. Yes, present. Okay. So we'll meet next week. Please read this portion and keep. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children.
Ma'am.